Cangzhou Liheng Carton Machinery Company, a professional enterprise that produces full automatic computer control, single side, 2 layers, 3 layers, 5 layers, 7 layers, corrugated cardboard production line, and full automatic water ink Flexo printer, slaughter and die cutting machine, carton box folder gluer and stitching machine with many years of research and development and manufacturing experience. In order to give overseas customers a greater discount and let them purchase directly from the source factory, we established an export trading company named Cangzhou Yuyuan Import and Export Company. Cangzhou Yuyuan Company is located near the capital of Beijing. We are in the south of Tianjin and Beijing, and in the north of Jinan, in the middle of the connection between Tianjin and Jinan. We are 180 kilometers away from Tianjin Binhai Airport, 2.5 hours by train and driving, 230 kilometers away from Beijing Daxing Airport, 2 hours by train, and 180 kilometers away from Jinan Yaoqiang Airport, 2 hours by car. The traffic is very convenient. We have perfect technology and to develop design according to our customers' requirement. Our machinery with perfect quality guarantee system. Our engineers have rich experience of installation and to service for our customers all over the world. The complete corrugated cardboard production line, hydraulic shaft lift mill roll stand, cassette tape single freezer, NC Slater score machine, Flexo printer machine, rotary slaughter die cutting machine, and folder gluer and stitching machine be exported to more than 20 different countries. Meanwhile, in several countries, establish our self-after-service system. We can provide the complete set of services, from cardboard production to carton box making, and technical support to create one-stop service for customers. We will sincerely cooperate with all the customers and do our best to meet all the customers with our high-quality product and best after service.